Hello, fellow food lovers and green-thumbed enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your garden, patio, or even your windowsill into a vibrant culinary haven? Imagine stepping outside and plucking fresh, aromatic herbs, ready to elevate your next meal from good to absolutely unforgettable. Cultivating your own herbs is far easier than you might think. It's a rewarding journey that connects you directly to the food you eat, providing a fresh, vibrant, and supremely flavorful alternative to anything you can buy in a store. Plus, there's an unparalleled satisfaction in cooking with ingredients you've grown yourself. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of homegrown flavor. We'll explore the top 10 must-have culinary herbs that will not only thrive in your garden, but also consistently deliver delicious results in your kitchen. Get ready to awaken your taste buds and inspire your inner chef. First on our list, the undisputed king of Italian cuisine, basil. Its sweet, peppery notes are absolutely essential for classic dishes. This herb thrives in warm weather, soaking up the sun and growing quickly. Basil adds an incredible freshness to pasta sauces, salads, and is the star ingredient in homemade pesto. Just a few leaves can completely transform a dish. Keep harvesting it regularly to encourage bushier growth and prevent it from flowering too soon. Next up is parsley, a true workhorse in the kitchen. This versatile herb comes in both curly and flat leaf varieties, each offering its own subtle charm. It's a staple for garnishing, instantly making any plate look more appealing. Then we have mint, known for its incredibly refreshing and invigorating flavor. There are many varieties, from spearmint to peppermint, each with its unique aroma. It's perfect for brewing soothing teas, crafting delicious cocktails, or adding a cool twist to desserts. Mint is an enthusiastic grower, which is wonderful for abundance but requires mindful planting. We highly recommend growing mint in containers to prevent it from taking over your entire garden bed. This keeps its vibrant energy contained and manageable. Rosemary is our next aromatic hero, a woody herb with a distinct piney aroma and flavor. Its robust character makes it a favorite for heartier dishes. This herb beautifully complements roasted meats like lamb and chicken, savory vegetables, and even adds a fantastic touch to homemade breads. Rosemary is quite resilient and thrives in sunny, well-drained soil. Once established, it requires minimal care, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. It's a wonderful shrub to have in your culinary arsenal. Moving on to thyme, a delicate herb with a subtle earthy flavor. Its tiny leaves pack a powerful punch, enhancing dishes without overpowering them. Thyme is a fantastic addition to soups, stews, and roasted dishes, imparting a complex depth. This herb is relatively easy to grow and loves basking in full sun. It's also quite drought-tolerant once mature, making it a low-maintenance superstar for your garden. You'll find yourself reaching for fresh thyme constantly. Oregano comes next, a cornerstone of Mediterranean cooking. It offers a robust, slightly bitter flavor that is simply iconic. You'll recognize its distinctive taste in many of your favorite dishes. Oregano is absolutely essential for pizzas, rich pasta sauces, and grilled meats and vegetables. It's a sun-loving plant that thrives in warm conditions, and its flavor intensifies when dried, making it perfect for year-round enjoyment. Our seventh herb is chives, providing a mild, delicate, oniony bite. These slender, vibrant green stalks are a joy to snip fresh from the plant. They bring a gentle allium flavor without the intensity of a full onion. Chives are perfect for sprinkling over salads, stirring into omelets, or mixing into dips and spreads. They are incredibly easy to grow, and their beautiful purple flowers are also edible, serving as a stunning and tasty garnish. Next, we have cilantro, a staple in Mexican, Asian, and Indian cuisine. This herb adds a bright, distinctive, and often polarizing citrusy flavor to dishes. Its fresh leaves are indispensable for salsas, tacos, curries, and many other vibrant meals. Cilantro prefers cooler temperatures and partial shade, especially as the weather warms. It tends to bolt or go to seed quickly in hot conditions, so succession planting is a great strategy to ensure a continuous harvest. Our ninth essential herb is dill, known for its feathery leaves and unique, slightly sweet and tangy flavor profile. It brings a fresh, aromatic lift to a wide variety of meals. Dill is absolutely wonderful with fish, potatoes, cucumbers, and in pickling recipes. It's also a fantastic addition to creamy sauces, yogurt-based dressings, and makes an exceptional garnish. Dill thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, often reseeding itself to provide a continuous supply of its delicate leaves. Grow it for that unmistakable fresh garden taste. Finally, we welcome sage, a powerful aromatic herb with a warm, earthy, and slightly peppery flavor. Its distinctive scent is instantly recognizable and very comforting. Sage is a star in classic poultry dishes, especially with turkey or chicken, and pairs beautifully with pork. Beyond meats, sage is excellent in stuffings, hearty vegetable roasts, and even infused into butter or olive oil. This perennial herb loves full sun and good drainage, becoming a woody, resilient plant that offers flavor year-round, even in cooler climates. Now that you know your top 10 herbs, let's talk about a few universal tips for success. Firstly, always consider sunlight. Most culinary herbs love sunlight, aiming for at least 6 hours of direct sun each day for the best growth and flavor development. Pick a sunny spot in your garden or a bright window for your pots. Secondly, drainage is crucial. Herbs generally dislike sitting in soggy soil. Use good quality potting mix in containers or amend your garden soil with compost to improve drainage. This prevents root rot and keeps your plants healthy and vibrant. Thirdly, don't be afraid to harvest. Regular harvesting encourages your herbs to produce more leaves, leading to bushier, more productive plants. Pinch off the top sets of leaves or snip entire stems, always leaving some foliage for continued growth. The more you use them, the more they will grow for you. Consider companion planting to benefit your herbs and other plants. For instance, basil can deter flies and mosquitoes near tomatoes. Lastly, water consistently, but don't overwater. Feel the soil. If the top inch is dry, it's usually time to give your herbs a drink. And there you have it, our top 10 must-have culinary herbs for a truly delicious garden. From the zesty kick of cilantro to the comforting aroma of rosemary, these herbs offer an incredible range of flavors that will undoubtedly inspire your cooking. Growing your own herbs is a journey of discovery, flavor, and immense personal satisfaction. Imagine creating dishes bursting with freshness, knowing that each ingredient was lovingly grown by your own hands. It's an empowering and delicious experience. So, grab some seeds or small plants, find a sunny spot, and start cultivating your own culinary paradise. Your taste buds and your kitchen will thank you.